This is going to be just a very short tutorial to tag on to my Linktree training. This is, as I'm learning more and more, this is going to specialize in how to add these certificates and specialties to your Linktree. All right, so I have these affiliate links, of course, as we've worked on, and some links to my social media, but I wanted a place for potential clients and clients to go to be able to see what I am certified in and the expertise that I have with some kind of proof to, show them that I have taken these courses. And I know a couple of agents on my team had expressed that as well. Give us some more online credibility. So, what I have here is some that I've already done. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like and then how to do it yourself. So I have, for example, this special needs group, accessible travel advocate. When they click on that, they will see my certificate and they can see that I am certified in this area. Okay. Then, same thing with my Grand Sirens. I took this training, and so I have my certificate here. All right, and I'm also able to put these thumbnails here. I could improve this maybe. I couldn't figure out how to flip this one here, but that's okay. As long as they're here and I have them. So I've got my one that I want to add now is going to be my faith faith-based travel. So I am going to go into my admin section of my link tree, and this is the your back end, so to speak. If you haven't done this yet, this is going to be your back end where you create all of your links. All right. And you can kind of see a little preview here, which is nice because every time I add it, it updates immediately. And you can't even click on these to see what it would look like when someone's seeing it. So what I'm going to start with is just like the other links. We're just going to click add link. Now I need a URL. So I was trying to figure out how do I create a URL so that I can see a picture. And so what I had done is I have taken all of the pictures and documents that I have, and I'm just starting with a basic Facebook post, just a blank document basically. And I have done these as you see here, and now I'm ready to do my faith-based. And I don't actually have a copy right now of my certificate. I'm going to add that in later. I'm just going to use both of these for right now, just so that I can show you how to do this. And I'm just making it a little bit bigger, but that's all I'm doing. And I'm going to now click share over here. And then instead of downloading, which is what I usually do, we're going to click more. And then we're going to click embed. We're going to tell it, yes, we do want to embed it. And I am going to use the smart link. So I'm going to click copy here. All right, so my link is copied. All right, so I'm going to go back to my link tree. I'm going to stick this right in here like this and click add. And then the only other thing that I did was I clicked on this thumbnail and I want to set the thumbnail. So I can upload my own thumbnail and I should have a faith-based. I should have my faith-based here. Yeah, here we go. I have that here. Now I click crop and upload and boom, it's there. The only thing left to do is for me to edit this. And so I am going to do faith. You can title it whatever you want. Faith-based travel specialist. And I am going to, that's it. All right. So I'm just going to click enter. It's locked in. You can see that it automatically added it. All right. Now I want to make sure that it's slipped down in here with the rest of them. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to move this. Whoops, sorry, drag over here on these little 6 dots here. And now I've drug it to what the position I want it. And then if you see here on the preview, you can see now that it is added to my certificates. So that's it. You're just going to continue to do the same thing, and add as many certificates as you want.